In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use your iPhone as a webcam with OBS or Streamlabs in 2025. Whether you're a content creator, a remote worker, or just looking to upgrade your video quality and versatility, using your iPhone as a webcam can be a game changer. Let's dive right in and break down the process step by step. First things first, you need to have OBS Studio installed on your computer. Open the OBS Studio app, which serves as your hub for streaming and recording. Once you're inside OBS Studio, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface, as this is where you'll be combining your video sources and managing your settings. Now, let's move forward by setting up the proper device for capturing your webcam feed. Over on the bottom left of the OBS interface, you'll notice a section labeled Sources. This is where you add the different elements, like video feeds, images, or any other media you might want to include in your stream or recording. Go ahead and click on Sources, and you'll see a menu pop up with several options for adding new input sources to your video project. In that menu, look for the option labeled Display, which might seem a bit counterintuitive if you're expecting to add a camera feed, but trust me, we're on the right track. Clicking on Display will get you closer to setting up your iPhone as a webcam. Now, the key step in linking your iPhone is to select the correct camera device. Here you have two popular options, Epic Cam Camera or Camo Camera. These apps are specifically designed to connect your iPhone as a webcam device seamlessly. Make sure your iPhone is set up with the app you choose and connected to the computer either via Wi-Fi or USB. In OBS Studio, after you've clicked on Display, look through your list of available cameras and select either Epicam or Camo Camera from the device menu. If you're having any trouble finding or selecting the right device, double-check the connection between your iPhone and your computer and ensure the app is running on your device. This might take a few attempts, and sometimes restarting either the app or OBS Studio can resolve any lingering connection issues. With your iPhone now effectively set up as a webcam, you should see its video feed appear in your OBS window. From here, you can adjust settings to improve the video quality, play around with additional effects, and incorporate other media sources as needed, fitting your personal needs and style. Experimenting and seeing what works best for your specific context is all part of the fun. And there you have it. You're all set to use your iPhone as a high-quality webcam through OBS or Streamlabs. This setup not only provides a significant boost to your video production quality, but also unlocks new creative possibilities for your streaming and recording projects. Remember that practice makes perfect, so feel free to revisit these steps or explore additional options within OBS Studio to further refine your setup.